All right, so welcome back. Thank you for watching the videos before this one. And we've gotten this far. I know the last video was about 26, 28 minutes. A lot longer than I'd like to do, but I wanted to, I wanted to make sure you really got it and you got everything that you needed. And I wanted to stay focused on what I was doing there and go through several accounts. If it was a new account, I might have a lot of negatives right off the bat. It would have been much quicker, but it's hard to find negatives when you've been doing a niche like the odor control niche that I do and have that many clients in it and over 3 years, right? And so I've pretty much saturated most of the negative keywords, so it's hard to find them now. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to switch gears. So now what we're going to do is let's talk about this. You're a brand new business. You're a brand new agency. It's a brand new niche. You've never done this before, right? You've never done this niche. In fact, I just got a new client, and they just bought a 40-acre plot of land that has a house on it, 50 kennels, and they do dog boarding and they do dog training. Okay, so those are two different categories, of course, and I made it into two different campaigns. And the reason for that is when I'm building out negative keywords for like dog training, class would not be a negative keyword for that because somebody might search dog class. But in the boarding campaign, class would be a negative keyword because they're boarding animals, they're not teaching classes. So I separate it, right? So I'm going to teach you how to go out and find negative keywords for a niche. And so, wow, I just froze on my camera. And so we're going to do that. We're going to get right to it. Thank you so much for getting this far with me. And let's just go ahead and get started. And I'll see you in the next video. Stretch, get something to drink. I'm excited to teach you this. All right, I'll see you in a minute. All right, great. You made it to the end of the video. We really appreciate it. Look, if there's anything else you would like us to teach you, just leave us a comment in the comment box below. And we reply to every comment. If there's something that you want to know, if you need more clarification on the video you just watched, I will answer your question. Just leave us a comment. If you enjoyed what you're watching and you want to see more of what we produced, please subscribe to us below, give us a like, and right there, right on the screen, right there is the next video of this series. And if you missed the previous video, just click on the link above. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a great day.